Welcome to Aldi's quick smart savings video. Let's get into it. Let's see all of the meals and deals. Apples. This is the better deal. The delicious red apples. Nope, I lied. The Gala apples, $1.99. I told y'all, $1.99 for a bag of apples. Celery for your cornbread dressing and stuffing. $1.49 for your zucchini, which is really good. They have bagels for $1.95, and this is better than the Dollar Tree. These are better than the Dollar Tree. They're Hawaiian, they're softer, so that's good. $1.95 for everything bagels. Okay, y'all, it's the holidays. Let's look at their wine. Every year when we come in, they have their champagne, which is really good. Let's see if they have it. I think this is not it. They don't have it out yet. But see how these are $3.95. These be a little bit cheaper during the holidays. People are buying them up. The Winking Owl. This is the Shiraz, which is one of me and my wife's favorite. They have the sangria. I'm gonna come and get a few of these for couple of friends that we're having over, as well as they do have white Zinfandel. They normally have a champagne as well. My wife is a Sauvignon Blanc drinker, so you can't beat this price for the holidays. I know, but that one's $4.95. That's not the one we normally get. All right, let's look and see what other meals and deals they have in the Aldi's. Now, if you have children, like little ones, animal crackers, $1.99. Graham crackers, $1.95, which seems to be their regular pricing. They also have bread, which they're almost out. They have honey wheat left, which is $1.75, and they have hamburger buns for $1.25. And hot dog buns for $1.25. Can't beat it with a stick, y'all. All right. They also have peanut butter for $1.95. They have that large grape jelly for $2.45, which you can get it cheaper at the Dollar Tree. They have hummus, cranberry jalapeno hummus, huh? That's a combination. I don't know if it's worth trying. They have a plethora of cheeses for your macaroni and cheese. They have goat cheese for $1. This is my favorite cheese to use, but it's out of my budget, $5.29. Mascarpone cheese is really good. Fresh mozzarella cheese is on sale. They have the 8-ounce blocks for $1.79, which is good for your macaroni cheese. Always get the fresh blocks, y'all. $1.75. If you have kids, this is not a good deal if we're shopping frugally, but $2.49 isn't bad if you have kids. Oh, I'm looking for those juices, y'all, and I think they're gone. Those dollar juices, I think they're gone, but that's what we're on the hunt for. Also, one thing I am noticing is that because beef is up, pork is down. You can come and get some breakfast pork chops for $4. And you get 2, 4, 5 breakfast pork chops for $4. You can also use these as well. They're $6.85, the thin ones. Yep, breakfast patties, $2.39. But I'm gonna show y'all when I cook spaghetti exactly how you're gonna make your own sausage. I've been telling y'all that for a couple of videos. Let's see. They have bone-in short ribs for $7. They have a top round steak for $26. No. Fajita meat, $8.49. $15 roasted potatoes. Corned beef is the cheapest they have over here for $6.29. And I've never cooked a corned beef in my life, so I don't know anything about that. We already know we can go get chicken at for a really good price. So that's a no, no, and a no. I was looking for those juices that they had, but they're gone, y'all. Milk, $3.16. I found milk cheap. All right, so the 2% is $2.98. The whole milk is $3.16. So we did find milk cheaper, and they got half and half for $2.45. And we all know that Aldi's have a good deal on their regular eggs, $1.96. They have their Butterball whole turkeys, 97 cents a pound. One right here is $16.42 for that one. $17 for that one, but that baby's huge. So you can come and get you a whole turkey for $15. They got ducks for 17 bucks. They got bags of fries, country style, for $2.59. If you want like a cheap Friday. They got dumplings. They have evaporated milk for 95 cents. Here goes this pie filling we were talking about, but it's $2.49 for the cherry and $2.09. They do have fried apples for $1.99. They have pumpkin puree. You can make a pumpkin loaf. This will be really good. So y'all, we found some really good deals. I wish we could have found a case of those Welch's juices for $1.49 or $1.99 that's currently out, but they are sold out. They did not last. We maybe try another Aldi's, but we did get paper towels. They had a 6-count for $5.49. So, and we're about to get on up out of here. We didn't get any groceries today, but I did want to see what offers they did have. It seems like this location is still putting a lot of stuff out. So $5.82. Okay, hold this.
Hey y'all, I don't know why she handed me the phone, but here we are. Here we are. And I'm the phone prop. Ready back.
Okay, have a good one. Thank you. All right. So we're leaving on from up out of here. They have some really good deals. Make sure y'all come down to your Aldi.